Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all are doing well. Let's have a look upon Olympiad maths question. Here you can see if AB belongs to a positive real numbers, square root of A plus square root of B is 10, square root of AB is 10. Then you need to find out the value for A and B. These two statements are given. Let's start the solution. First of all, I'm going to letting square root of A is equals to X and square root of B is equals to Y. I'm naming this one equation 1, this one equation 2. So I'm gonna putting the value of X and Y in both of these equations. So first will be X plus Y is equals to 10 and X is equals to 10 minus Y. That is equation static. Second will be XY is equals to 10. Now I'm gonna taking this one. X is equals to 10 minus Y. I just take Y to the other side and that will be 10 minus Y. And XY is 10 because I put the value square root of AB in equation 2 here. I can write equation 1 and equation 2 will be this. Got it? Now I'm going to put this one in equation 2. Put the value of X here. Ten y minus y square is equals to 10. 10y minus y square minus 10 is equals to 0. And as you can see, it's a negative y square plus 10y minus 10 is equals to 0. So I'm going to taking negative 1 common, that is y square minus 10y plus 10 is equals to 0. So y square minus 10y plus 10 is equals to 0. Now you can see it's a quadratic equation. So I'm going to applying a quadratic formula in this equation. Here A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 10, C is equals to 10. So I'm going to be writing here Y is equals to minus B plus minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. So Y is equals to minus, B is here minus 10. So plus minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Y is equals to 10 plus minus square root of 10 times 10 is 100 minus 4 times 10 is 40 by 2. So it's 10 plus minus 100 minus 40 is 60 divided by 2. Now 60 will be the square of what? It will be 4 times square root of 5, because you can see 16 times 5. 6 times 5, 30. 3, 5 times 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, it will be 80. So we need to do as it is 4 times 15. Y is equals to, it will be 10 plus minus 4 times 15. This one. Sorry for this one. It's 4 times 15 divided by 2, because you can see 15 times 4, 5 times 4, 20, and then 4 times 1, 4 plus 2, 6. This is the correct one. So Y is equals to 10 plus minus 4 comes out to be as 2 square root of 15 divided by 2. I'm going to taking 2 as a common on top. That will be 2 times 5 is 10 plus minus 15 divided by 2. This will be cancel out, and Y is equals to 5 plus minus square root of 15. Now I'm going to put in the value of y here as x is equals to 10 minus y, this equation static. I'm going to put the value of y in equation static. Put value of y in equation static. So it will be x is equals to 10 minus y, that is 5 plus minus square root of 15. So x is equals to 10 minus 5. As minus is multiplied under, so it will be minus plus square root of 15. Now you can see here 10 minus 5, you can see 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 will be 5 and minus plus square root of 15. Here you can see x has two answers with plus and minus, and y has this answer 5 plus minus square root of 15. But then you can see the statement here x plus y. I suppose x and y square root of a and square root of b. So I'm going to put the values of x and y one by one. So for this one, if I'm going to put here value of y, first of all, square root of a is equals to x. That means square root of a is equals to 5 minus plus square root of 15. And similarly, on the other hand, I'm going to put the value for y. Y is equals to 5 plus minus square root of 15. And y I let here, you can see, that is square root of b. So I'm going to write in here square root of b, 5 plus minus square root of 15. As we need to find out the value for a and b only, not square root. So I'm going to squaring both sides. Square root of a square, 5 minus plus square root of 15 square. Similarly, square root of b square, 5 plus minus square root of 15 square. So here a is equals to 5 minus plus square root of 15 whole square, and b is equals to 5 plus minus square root of 15 whole square. So if I'm going to write the value for a and b, that means I have a 5 minus square root of 15 whole square, 5 plus square root of 15 whole square. And then for b, 5 plus square root of 15 whole square, 5 minus square root of 15 whole square. So this is the final answer for a and b. I find out here. You can see we need to find out a and b. So this is the answer for a and b. This is the value for a and this is the value for b. That is the final answer. Thank you.